Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for Uber Eats drivers. Whether you're new to Uber Eats or looking to optimize your delivery routine, this video is packed with valuable insights. We're here to share 10 essential tips and tricks designed to boost your earnings and enhance your efficiency on the road. Kicking things off with tip 1, driving at the right times. In the world of food delivery, timing is everything. Peak hours, those times when hunger strikes the masses, are your golden window for maximizing deliveries. During weekdays, aim for the lunch rush from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and don't forget the dinner and late night crowd from 5 p.m. all the way up to 11 p.m. Weekends, they're a whole different ballgame, where the demand pretty much spans from morning until night. Capitalizing on these hours means you're more likely to catch a steady stream of orders, keeping you busy and your earnings ticking upwards. Remember, more deliveries equal more opportunities to earn. Moving on to tip 2, surge pricing. Ever noticed how fares go up when everyone seems to be looking for a ride? That's surge pricing in action, and it applies to food delivery too. When demand strikes, think major sporting events, rainy nights, or just a Friday craving frenzy, Uber Eats activates surge pricing. This means you get paid more for deliveries because of the high demand. It's like getting a bonus just for being in the right place at the right time. So keep an eye out for the surge notifications in your app and position yourself to take advantage of those busy periods. It's a smart way to boost your earnings without putting in extra hours. On to tip 3, weather conditions. Let's talk about the weather, not just as small talk, but as a strategy. Bad weather, whether it's rain or snow or just a chilly day, tends to make people stay indoors. And when they do, the cravings kick in and the demand for food delivery skyrockets. It's simple. The less appealing it is to step outside, the more people want the comfort of their favorite meal delivered right to their door. And this is where you come in, braving the elements to serve up warmth and deliciousness. By gearing up and heading out during bad weather, you can tap into a surge of orders. Yes, it might require a bit more effort and care, especially on slippery roads, but the potential for increased earnings is significant. So the next time the skies turn grey, consider it an opportunity. Tip 4 is all about geography. Know your area. The layout of your city isn't just a map, it's your game board. Familiarity with this terrain can make or break your delivery efficiency. Understanding where popular restaurants cluster and where those frequent delivery destinations are can shave precious minutes off each trip. This isn't just about knowing the main streets and shortcuts, it's about mastering the ebb and flow of your city's mealtime rush. Dive into the patterns of local hotspots, keep tabs on areas with higher order volumes, and watch your delivery times and satisfaction rates soar. Think of it as setting up your own express lanes in the bustling cityscape of flavors and feasts. Tip 5 brings us the key ingredient in the delivery recipe, using a thermal bag. It's not just about getting your food from point A to B, it's about delivering an experience. The temperature of the meal upon arrival can make a world of difference in customer satisfaction. A thermal bag is your secret weapon in preserving the just cooked warmth and freshness of each dish. Whether it's a piping hot pizza or a bowl of savory soup, keeping it at the right temperature ensures that your customers get a dining experience they're hoping for right at their doorstep. Plus, a happy customer is more likely to tip and order again, so investing in a good quality thermal bag is not just about keeping the food hot, it's about keeping your earnings hot too. Tip 6 is a game changer, efficient route planning. In the hustle of delivery, time is of the essence, and every second saved is a step towards your next order. That's where GPS and route planning tools come into play. Leveraging these technologies allows you to plot the quickest, most efficient paths between pickups and drop-offs, sidestepping traffic jams and avoiding roadblocks. It's not just about speed, it's about smart navigation. Efficient routing means less fuel consumption, less wear and tear on your vehicle, and more deliveries completed in less time. Embrace the power of technology to guide your journey, turning complex delivery routes into smooth, swift, and cost-effective trips. Moving on to tip 7, maintain good customer service. This tip is all about the human touch. In a world driven by apps and automation, never underestimate the power of politeness and professionalism. A friendly greeting, a smile, or even a simple enjoy your meal can significantly enhance the delivery experience. It's these small gestures that build a positive rapport with customers, fostering a connection that goes beyond a mere transaction. Good customer service not only paves the way for higher tips, but also for repeat customers who request you by name. In the end, it's not just food that leaves a lasting impression, it's the warmth and courtesy you serve with it. Tip 8 zooms in an often overlooked aspect, keeping your vehicle in good condition. Think of your vehicle as your trusty steed in this delivery adventure. Regular maintenance isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about ensuring that your vehicle is always ready to roll when an order comes in. From oil changes to tire rotations, keeping up with your vehicle's needs ensures reliability and safety. not just for you, but for every precious cargo you carry. A well-maintained vehicle means fewer unexpected hiccups and a smoother ride, ensuring that you can deliver consistently and efficiently. Tip 9 is all about the back end of the hustle. Stay organized. The key to truly maximizing your earnings isn't about how much you drive, it's about understanding the numbers behind your drives. Keeping a detailed log of your earnings, expenses, and hours worked is invaluable. This isn't just bookkeeping, it's empowering yourself with knowledge. By tracking these metrics, you gain insights into the true net income. You can identify patterns to optimize your earnings and make tax time a breeze with well-documented expenses. Organization transforms your gig from a series of rides into a streamlined business operation. And finally, tip 10, take breaks. It might seem counterintuitive when you're chasing those earnings, but taking regular breaks are a cornerstone of sustained success. It's about more than just resting, it's about recharging both mentally and physically. Continuous driving without adequate breaks can lead to fatigue, decreased alertness, and even health issues, compromising not only your performance but also your safety. Schedule breaks that allow you to refresh and maintain peak performance throughout your shifts. So there you have it, 10 useful tips for Uber Eats drivers to make your work more profitable and enjoyable. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.